Hello YouTube, how's everyone doing out there? Thank you for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. My name is Leo Sotelo, and a while back I wanted to learn how this affiliate marketing works, landing pages, sequences, and the whole thing. So I dedicated myself, and here I am. So if you already created a landing page and everything like that, but your funds might be running kind of low, you got bills to pay, I got three methods right here of where you could place your ads for free. So let's get to the point here. I want to show you loot.com, loot.com. So this website is let's go to what Similar Web has to say about it. Similar Web says it gets about 70,000 visitors. So a lot of some people do come here and place their ads a month. United Kingdom, United States, Oman, India, South Africa, and it's mostly a direct website. People usually just directly come here. And yeah, so let me show you how to place your. First of all, I'm already logged in. You could create an account, or you could integrate it with Google or Facebook. It has that quick click button and move forward. So they give you a few options here. Whatever, if you're in real estate, property, of course, jobs. I'm going to go to other items for this sake of this video, and I'm also in this video I'm just making a demonstration example of where you could place your ads for free. So what did I click wrong? Okay, let's go back a minute. Okay, let's go to other items. Okay, here we go. Now if you're in the health and beauty right here, I wanted to show you this because I already placed a few ads, and I want to make sure what I show you that they do not get rejected, because they will reject your ad for whatever reason. So I want to go to services because I want to be, for this example, promoting a business opportunity, which is ClickFunnels. So, and you're going to have to, let's see, you're going to want to, you're giving it away. I mean, I'm going to do .com secrets for an example here, and I'm just going to grab a free review, okay, the underground playbook. Okay, let's do that one as a title. So let's go back over here. I'm going to click that right there, paste it there, and then we're going to give a description of what they're getting. So we might want to go down here to the bodies. I'm going to use this one for this example. Copy it, come over here and paste it. And before you leave this, before you ever move forward on this, you're going to want to go to let me just do it right here, so follow step by step so we don't get confused. Okay, you want to go to your affiliate, then go to bit.ly, paste it. You want to shrink it up so it looks a lot better, copy it. Now what I do, I sometimes open up another tab just to make sure they're going to get what I'm offering here, to see if it works, and it does work. So let's go back to Loot. Learn more, click here, and then I want to paste it right there. That's ready. So okay, this is a United Kingdom website, so the UK. So you're going to want to go there. You're going to make sure it's not priced because you're giving away a free ebook. And then it's going to want to upload of a image of the book or whatever you're promoting. So I went over here .com secrets. I could get these right here, these ads, but I copied that. So I actually went over here to Google, and I saved this one to my computer. So I'm just gonna go back over here and see if I could upload that image. Where is it? Okay, let's try that again. So bear with me on this. Could have went right to my desktop, which it did. And that's going to upload the image. You can save it, preview. It's going to want the postal code. So you're going to get this right here, copy it, and then you're going to go to Google, of course. You're going to want to get you a postal code. So see what the postal code is in that area. Ontario, Canada. Okay, let's copy that. I mean, nobody's sending you nothing directly to you like money. So save and preview. Rebook. And it'll take a minute for it to actually, for this to show up as the website loot puts it in there to see if it gets approved. So this is it right here. It has your link, giveaway. You can edit it if you want, or leave it as is. So let's see. I want to edit it. No, I think it's okay. It's good to go. And click next. And if you want to make a small investment, you could make an urgent ad, sponsored ad, homepage, or featured ad. So one costs £4.99, I think that is, $9.99, and that, and 7 to 14 days, about $15. I don't know how much that is in pounds really, but I'm just doing this for free. It's a free ad. I might as well. I went this far, so I might as well post it. And payment method is 0 because it's free. Continue. And it has been processed successfully. Excuse my stuckness there. So that's one way. That's one way to place one of your ads. So you could also go to this website right here called epage.com. Now epage.com, it wasn't working with the similar web right here. It says sorry, but so that's not. So I went up here to the actual similar page website. Excuse me, and it does not have much because it's more like a direct website. It has a high global ranking, country rank, category. I mean, that's pretty big, but it's not like really. It's just a site just to shoot your ads out. And see right here, it says it's just direct mostly. People go there directly. 97.25% is directly. So it took me a while to actually really check this one out because I was like, there's no similar web really, but it is getting a lot of direct people going there to post their ads. So this is how you do it. You're posting a free ad, whether it's for employment, business opportunity. So I'm going to pick business opportunity and continue. You could also pay them if you like. And let's see, if you're doing health, nutrition, income opportunities, let's do income opportunities because this is an income opportunity thing. So you could pay, ad does not, just okay, you could pay $1.22. Like I said, I'm just doing free stuff. So if you want to make these little small investments, that's up to you. Of course, if you go to deluxe, this is where your ad's going to show. It's going to show on multiple classified ads areas website. So I'm just doing this one for free, a basic. So I'm going to hit continue, and then put my, if I could remember that correctly, hopefully it goes through, and it did. No, I'm not selling an item. Please, okay. Here, add price. Okay. So if you're selling an item, I'm giving that book away for free. So we're going to go to description, and put that in there. Supercharge your online business. Copy and paste. Now, if you want to put your link in there, you could go back over here to copy it. Go back to post, and then make sure you take that out, because or not, it'll put it in there. And then you put it there. That is if you want it linked to your site. Goes directly there. Or you could come down here, and I'm going to use this template I have right here. 6 figures. It's just a demonstration for an ad. So I would go here, paste it here, and then go back to Bitly, grab this link again, copy it, come back here, post it here. Probably learn more here. Put a call to action in there. Make sure it's in there. Then you another thing, you want to add the photo. You're doing .com secrets or whatever you are doing. Put where I reside at, and then this is where allow replies from my country only, United States or Canada, or you could click here for all countries. This one's safer. This is less safer. So just to be safe, we're going to stick with the safer side, the green. They're going to want to hit continue. Now this is where it tells you if you want to. It has there are 323 ads and business opportunities. If you want to make yours stand out, you might have to pay more. But I mean, it's only $1. You could put it on the home page for about $13. Feature your ad. So that's up to you. That's up to you. You could also leading icon. I mean, look at these nice and bright, special offer, kind of like a small banner. So I'm just going to do free for now for the demonstration of this video. You can put your Twitter in there. Just going to leave that as is. Now to confirm it, do you want to post this ad? Let's say yes. And then you're done with that. You can share it on Facebook. You can do what you want with it. That's done. So for the third one, which is pretty simple, if you don't know it by now, then you're probably already on that platforms right here. Facebook. You go to your marketplace. Now some of these marketplaces they don't want you promoting any products. There are some out there that they don't mind. Some of them will send you a notification your ad did not get it is your ad basically. You're just using groups instead of Facebook ads. But so let's say right here you're selling something. So let's go selling something. I don't know what's taking this so long. Item for sale, home for sale, around. Okay, we're going to do items for sale. Select a category. If it gives us the health and beauty, miscellaneous, home sale. Okay, let's see what this is. What are you selling? Business opportunity. Price, let's just say free or 0. Describe your option or your item. That's where you're gonna want to go back to whatever you're promoting, whatever Let's see. Weird ebook. Want one? Copy it. Go back to your Facebook Marketplace. Paste it there. You want to add a photo. There. And then you can add 9 more photos. You can add so many of that thing. But I don't believe this is the right spot, so let's see if there's anything in here business related. Household. Tools, vehicles, video games. It could be for household. Electronics and computers. Okay, let's check that one out. Okay, now that you have it in the marketplace, check there. You could go to Facebook selling groups, small. Let's check that out. I mean, you could. Well, some of these groups, they got thousands and thousands of people. No rules. This one right here, the no rules advertising selling group. Bam, right there. It's not letting me. Okay, let me get that one off. Usually it lets you do more. Huh, it's not letting me do that one. Your items priced in USD and this group does not allow this currency. Okay, I didn't know that. Post ads daily. That lets me do it. Just go where they let you. Where they allow you to. Like I said, some of these groups might say no. You cannot post that here. I mean, but there's all kinds of other groups that will. So, you know what? Let me go back over here because I did not do something. Didn't post my link. Yeah, you want to get paid, right? Almost messed up there. Okay, let's go back to, let's just post in as many marketplaces as it allows. If you haven't gotten with all these yet in your city where you're at, then you really should just get on there and just start start marketing. That's what this is about. You have to get out there and market. So Utah classifieds, Salt Lake classified. I want to do as many as it lets me. I think I'm good right there. Let's see. 12 places. So when they go here, they click. Let's see. Edit listing. Marketplace electronics for more information. Right there. There's my link. They copy and paste it. So I just wanted to make this video for demonstration. I mean, many of you out there, if you can't find like free sources where to place your ads, I mean, there's Facebook. There's so many other platforms. I'll be making more here pretty soon. But I just wanted to make this video. And if you like what you've seen, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and get some notifications for my channel here because I'm working on building this channel up and I could use your help. Thank you very much. You have a good day, good night, wherever you're at. Bye.